Pretty cool stuff, but here at Unscrewed, we never trust any product before it's tested by our staff scientist, Perry, and our own Laura Swisher. What did you two find out?
Well, I tested it out myself, but Perry, I knew I had a snore problem, so what did we do? We put a camera on you just to see what would happen.
Yes, last night I actually wore the snore stopper, so America, let's step into my boudoir.
I don't know if that worked or not.
Well, as you can see, Laura, I did begin to snore, and I did move a little bit, and then I didn't snore again according to the rest of the tape. So,
You know,
we actually then we tried it out on a much more difficult subject, though, Laura. Let's take a look at that.
I think tonight's show is going to open.
Before the snore stopper, Laura had problems. At work. In public. And in traffic.
Hey, keep it down in there!
But after the snore stopper, it was smooth sailing. Good night, Laura. Pleasant dreams.
I am so cute when I sleep. I didn't realize that.
Aww.
Oh, yeah. And you snore occasionally when you sleep.
Oh, I thought you were just going to say something about my back hair.
No. All right, Marty, are you going to be wearing this?
I'm not going to be wearing. I'm just wondering, like, the whole thing when Perry was sleeping, like, those sound effects, if you snore, what do you do, like, steal those from Sesame Street or something like that? I mean, it's like Snuffleupagus was in your bed or something, man. If you're going to do the test, do it for real. Was that for real?
It was
actually,
honest
that's
to
the way
God,
to do
real,
snores.
100%. I slept with this thing last night.
He's very Muppet-like, is he not, our little Perry?